तुमी सीएमाक मेळपाक गेले कितें आसली नेमकी इशू कितें आशिल्ली?
See, the agenda was simply about disruption in business. As of now, कितें जाला प्रत्येक मनीस येता हाडबडीत एक्झोब्लेड घेता आनी कितें घेता आनी आमगेलें सगळें इंटरनेट बंद उडयता कळ्ळें न्ही. इफ यू अंडरस्टँड इंटरनेट इज करंटली द बॅकबोन ऑफ ऑल बिजनसीस. तूं रियल इस्टेट म्हण, तूं IT म्हण, तूं मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग म्हण, आदोगाद म्हण, CA म्हण, नाल्यार एज्युकेशन सिस्टम म्हण,
इवन गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसां
सगल्यांक इंटरनेट म्हणटा ते आसा जायत. हे इंटरनेटा शिवाय आमचो धंदो जायना. टुडे वी हॅव असोसिएशन्स along with Goa Technology Association. We have 8 other associations. We have president of GIBA, Goa IT Business Association. आमचो राजेश शेट सर आसा, who is the president of CREDAI. आमचो संजय सर, he is the director general of Goa Chamber of Commerce. So we have got from ASOCHAM, we have got from Lagu Udyog, we have got from all other associations. आता सगळे associations who are actually making easily around 60 to 70% of revenue for Goa. हे सगळे असोसिएशन समज डिसरप्ट जाता, ह्या असोसिएशनचे मेंबर समज डिसरप्ट जाता जाल्यार गोंयचो फुडार कितें? हे इंटरनेट समज प्रत्येक फाटी असोच बंद उडयत रावलो जाल्यार आमी गोंयान हो ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनस म्हणटा तो सोडूनच दिवपाचो. सो दीस इज वाय वी केम टू रिक्वेस्ट CM सर टू गिव अस अ सोल्युशन. सी, वी आर नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट what is the politics behind cable cutting or what is the politics behind who is not paying internet service not providing, कोण पैसे पे करना कितें करना ते आमकां फरक पडना. एज associations we expect no cutting of cables or whatever. cutting cables तुम्ही करात जाल्यार आमकां एअर फायबर दियात, आमकां कितेंय सोल्युशन दियात, पूण इंटरनेट जाय इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग फॉर अस.
See, basically, internet is now become a lifeline. Without internet, and you know that all the compliances are online. Every business is dependent on the online internet. If internet is not working, we are facing losses, huge losses.
So
Yes.
आता सीएमान कितें सांगला तुमकां?
आता CMन आमकां सांगला ही इज गोइंग टू टेक एटलीस्ट अ मीटिंग विथ 4 to 5 other secretaries and DGP and all the other bodies. He will make sure that he will streamline these things. He will form a small committee type of a thing, wherein task force, and he will also include one or two members from our association. This now all this is called like all Goa Business Association, because all the associations are on board. अशें समज प्रत्येक फाटी समज धंद्याचेर समज आड येवपाक लागले जाल्यार आमी ओगी कशें रावप? This is what we are expecting, and CM has assured us that he will give us the rightful support.
At the same time, if you see, whoever the officer has done, he must have followed the procedure, no?
Of course, see, Kashnar is a good friend of mine. I've got nothing against him. I am simply saying that if at all he is following the procedures or whatever it is, I am not even bothered about who is the ISP or कोणाले खंयचे इथरनेटाचे वडयता नाल्यार तुमी DNAचे वडयता जाल्यार जिवे वडयता, आमकां फरक पडना. आमकां तूं पयलीं ऑल्टरनेटीव दी, आमकां ऑल्टरनेटीव दी बाबा. तुमी भारत नेट हाडटात काय तुमी आनी रेल नेट हाडटात नाल्यार आनी कसलें सोल्युशन हाडटात, तुमी आमकां इंटरनेटाचें सोल्युशन पयलीं दियात आनी मागीर तुमी कट करात. तुमी
हाडपाक जाय म्हणून करताय.
I do not know what is the whole thing. तुम्ही अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग करात नाल्यार तुम्ही सारखं फॉर्म्युलेट करात. अदरवायज प्रत्येक फाटी तुम्ही हाजेर पे करूना ताणें पे करूना म्हणून आमकां हांगा रस्त्यार हाडटा जाल्यार दिस इज नॉट डन न्ही.
आता कितें सांगला सीएम?
So CM has said he will take the rightful decision. See, the thing is, we have to understand how a government servant itself is disrupting some things of the government's vision of ease of doing business. If this is something happening, जाल्यार आमचो ऑनरेबल PM डिजिटल इंडिया म्हणटा ते गेले फोंडान आमी करपाचें कितें? सो आय थिंक दिस इज समथिंग वीच वी हॅव टू लुक व्हेरी सिरियसली.
तुम्ही कोणाक अप्रोच करता एका तुम्ही कोणाचे केबल हा पळय इंटरनेट तुम्ही कोणाचे घालता तांकां अप्रोच करप न्हू.
सी, आमी इंटरनेट सर्वीस प्रोवायडर हांगा समज गेलो, तुका सिंपल आसा. इफ यू आस्क मी एट दिस पॉयंट ऑन हुज डायरेक्शन दिस वॉज कट, देर वॉज अ डायरेक्शन कमिंग फ्रॉम द डेप्युटी collector of South, who has received a complaint from some Muzaffar country, आणि ताज्या बेजिसाचेर ताणें हे कटिंग केलां. सम हुसेन मुजव्वर फ्रॉम आके. आतां ह्या मनशाच्या हाजेर समज येदो व्हडलो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर समज कटिंगाची समज ऑर्डर दिता आनी दॅट टू ऑन अर्जंट बेजीस, जाल्यार कोणीय समज केन्ना कोणाले इश्यू जाता, कोणाले हे जाता, आमगेले केन्ना कित्याक रिजॉल्व करना, तेन्ना कित्याक डेप्युटी कलेक्टर केन्ना मदीं पडना. फक्त जेन्ना असले जेन्ना हे करपाचें आसा तेन्नाच पिडपाचें आसा तेन्नाच करप. So this is what my aim is, and we are expecting a good support and seamless business being run in the state of Goa.
No, but are you expecting that this type of things will not happen again because party padjale?
This is the second time. This is why we are saying we want to put a barricade on this. We want to stop this. This is complete nonsense which is happened at this. I'm not sure. I'm asking the government to intervene in this matter. Government, the CM has to intervene in this matter. He has to, look at giving orders to the department. बंद करा हे. हो समज मधल्या मध्ये डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आपल्याक जाय ते ऑर्डर करता तर धंदो कसो करप मनशान? I mean, look at advocates who are calling me. We have got people who are saying बाबा जजमेंट जायना, VC चलना, इंटरनेट चलना. कोण आपल्याला फ्रॉम क्रेडा रियल इस्टेट
रजिस्ट्रेशन जायना, डॉक्युमेंट
अपलोड जायना. This is not done. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mangiri Salilkar, President of Goa Technology Association. Sanjay Amonkar, Director General of Goa Chamber of Commerce. Rajesh Sheth, President of CREDAI. आमचो Paresh Salgaonkar, he is the President of the Goa IT Business Association, all the hardware associations and so on.
सो तुम्ही आज सगळं असोसिएशन
We could give you a letter of what is submitted also if required.